Come test drive the 2015 IS250. An interior and exterior design inspired by the world of competitive racing, the IS250's authentic performance and style are the hallmarks of this classy luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, audio digital sound processing. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.